In this video today, we are going to talk about an introduction to biology, main branches of biology, importance of biology, difference between living things and non-living things, and characteristics of living organisms. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, biology is the study of life. Term biology is derived from a Greek word, that is two Greek words, bios and logos. Bio stands for life, and logos is just simply the study. Combining two words together, biology simply means the study of life. Generally, biology is defined as the study of life, and these life are life of plants and animals. Hope you understand this. So that is, there are two main branches of biology. Number one is zoology, and number two is botany. Zoology is under animals, is a study of animals. Someone who study animals, classification of animal function, we can call it zoologist. And botany is under plants, that is study of plants. So there's a lot of different branches of biology, like mycology, psychology, and whatever it is. So, importance of biology. It has a usefulness in medicine, dentistry, veterinary science, agriculture, horticulture, food production industry, biotechnology in genetic engineering, and hydrotechnology, and etc. Biology has many importance and useful in modern teaching. And someone who study biology is called biologist. So, characteristics of living organism. But before we talk about the characteristics of living organism, we have to consider difference between living things and non-living things. Since we say biology is the study of life, so that living things, their characteristics number one, they have higher degree of organization, which made of complex tiny many atoms together in order to perform actions. They are either unicellular or multicellular. They need also constant supply of energy. Always they need energy in order to perform their works. Example, man, God, fish, and all living things are living things. Anything that has a life in them is living things or living organism. And also they exhibit the characteristics of living organisms. Under non-living things, don't show high degree of organization, lack of living things features, no need, low supplies of energy. Example is either gas, that is oxygen, water, that is liquid, and stone, that is solid. These include fuel, gas, chair, rubber, and anything. So let's talk about the characteristics of living organisms. These are movement, respiration, sensitivity, nutrition, excretion, reproduction, and growth. Movement. As you can see, ability to move the whole body or part of the body. Animals move by means of locomotions, while plants by means of external stimuli. This locomotion is talk about we can move from one place to another, while plants are not, they can't do that. Respiration, ability to respire. All living organisms release energy from the breakdowns of food within its body. Also, we can inhale or we can exhale energy in order to perform. We need oxygens. Sensitivity, ability to dictate or to change external stimuli surrounded or within itself. Okay, when I touch it, for example, we can feel that pain. So that mostly we can. And living things have that features. And nutrition, living things need food to stay alive. Can need food in order to stay alive. Animal, they are ready-made, means they are autotrophic. They can't manufacture their own food. While plants, they are manufacture their own food by use of photosynthesis and chlorophyll. Excretion, living things remove waste product. Is the removal of waste product, unwanted waste product from body. After we eat food, we shall remove that waste product. It may be urine, it may be sweat, and other things. Reproduction. All living organisms reproduce young ones that resemble to ourselves. We can resume new babies. Then the last one is grow. Living organisms have the ability to grow. We can grow by age, by size, and by complexity. And it is so simple. As you can see here, everyone, when a new baby, he can grow to become a child, teenager, up to an adult. So that's it, an introduction to biology. In the next video, we are going to talk about the difference between plants and animals. Thank you so much. Do have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.